Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Um, this is the beginning of auto class tutorial. Actually, this is the first tutorial. Um, we like to start uh, by launching the AutoCAD. As you can see, this is my AutoCAD 2021. I click on it. Actually, uh, this is how uh, it used to be opening. Actually, depending on the on how your laptop is, actually depending on the type, depending on which RAM, and so many things actually. So I'm not after that. um Once you click on it, it will display, or it will give you this pop-up, which is showing you three main important things, which is this starts new drawing. Actually, this is when you want to start a new drawing, you will click on this one. Okay. And also, assuming someone sent you a file, so if you want to open it, you can click on this one and locate where the file is, that is in DWG format actually. And also, these are the recent documents, the document I opened. And I can also, like, maybe if I am working on something and I later save it and close, maybe due to something, I can reopen it in order to make an adjustment, or make anything that I wanted to do. So far I'm going into this start new drawing. I click on it, it will display something like this for me. So for today's lectures, or for today's tutorial, I would like to focus on only the the main important parameters, which are number one, we have these parameters. You can see we have new, we have often, we have save as, and so many tools over here. So these are important parameters. And number one, actually, what are what are these parameters called actually? So these are called uh, quick access toolbars. Actually, you can remove and add something, like assuming you are working on here, actually you wanted to save, so you don't need to maybe go somewhere else and save. Like maybe you come to this place and see where it shows save, then you will save. Okay, rather it will be simpler for you to just click on here save. It will automatically save it for you, so it save time and uh, it save time actually. Okay. So not only this, there are a lot of things like this line. Actually, maybe you want to be using it severally, so you can even add it to this quick access toolbars here, so that you can be working with it. Okay. So I would like to show you how to add and how to remove it. Assuming on this, actually I have line, I can click on this and you can see it shows add to quick access toolbar. So if I click, you can see it here. So once I click on it, I can draw my line anywhere I like. So you can also right click and also click on remove from quick access toolbar. So this is how you will add, and also you can uh, like maybe you can erase, or you can delete, or you can remove something. Okay. So this is how they are. Okay. By default, I think this save, undo, and on and you see redo uh most common parameters over there. So you can see here also is called a title bar. Is showing you the the name. Actually, you can see this drawing1.dwg is showing you the name of the file. Actually, I didn't save it, otherwise it will display the name of the file. Okay. So this is how it's used to be displaying. Okay. And also we have an important parameters which are called ribbon tabs. Okay, we have home, insert, annotate, visualize, and many more. You can see up to the end actually. So these are called ribbon tabs and are very important uh, in AutoCAD drafting. Actually, each of these ribbon consists of so many uh, uh, commands and, let's say, tools actually that can help you to work under this workspace. Okay, so let's just discuss a brief discussion on what are under this home. Okay, so you can see under home we have a drawing, that is draw. We have modify annotations, layers, and other things. Okay, so all these are called what are called panels, because it consists of so many tools which are very essential. Like this one, line, it consists of a line, polyline, cycles, polygon, hearts, ellipse, and many more under these drawing tools. Okay, under this drawing panel. Okay, or draw panel. We have also modify. This on under modify we have a lot of parameters, or we have a lot of commands which are very essential, and I mostly like are mostly are the most common actually, because you can I don't know, but definitely along the way you must draw line. That is very important, number one. And after that you will modify. Sometimes you need to trim, you need to cut, you need to erase an unwanted line, you need to offset, maybe scale, mirror, and so many things. Maybe you copy or move object. Okay, so this is very essential. So also for this one, this is very important. And I'm not after this, I'm just to show you a like maybe an introduction, or to provide an insight for you on how these tools are. Okay, so you see insert insert ribbon. Also it consists of so many parameters. You can insert block, you can insert so many things over here. Okay, so we have annotate, where it will allow you to maybe set your dimensions, to maybe set you uh to allow you to set maybe this thing for you, maybe text, and so many things. Under visualize, it will allow you maybe when creating a 3D, for you to render, for you to create a shadow, to create light, and so many things. Under view, it will allow you to navigate your UCS, more especially when you're dealing with when you are doing maybe a work not only on 2D but rather on 3D view. Actually UCS is very important in this manner. Okay, so you can see it has a lot of things actually, like layout. This tile vertically and tile horizontally, it will allow you to be like maybe to like maybe split the screen into two, so that maybe at the other side you will be seeing maybe your 3D, or maybe at the other side you will be seeing maybe your plan. Okay, then you get on and modifying it. Okay, so this is very important as well. This is also an important ribbon. So we have a manage, where you can import, export, and so many things. Okay, we have port, very important, and many things. We have output, and many important things. Okay, so this ribbon, it is not limited to only this actually. You can remove and also edit. I mean, like, you can remove or add something like that. Okay, that is, you can edit the arrangement if you like. So assuming I want to like maybe remove this view, I can click on this. You will see it shows that show tabs. You can see this view is what is check. Sorry, this view is check. So I can like to, maybe I can uncheck it, so you can see it's no more in that very place. So if I want to maybe take it back, I can click on it. So this is very important, and you can see it is like maybe it is back so far. So this is very important. Okay, so we have what we call application menu, which is here actually. When you click on this capital A, it will display you something like this. We have new, we have often, save, and so many parameters. This is not like maybe the ribbon tabs, which allow you to modify tools, or maybe allow you to execute your work. But this modifying tools, it allow you to what? It allow you to sorry, this application menu, I mean, it allow you um to work efficiently, and also to manage your files actually. Sometimes when you need to import or export something, definitely it's very important to use this application menu. Sometimes you want to export your files maybe to AutoCAD, I mean, maybe to other files, like maybe you need to save this file in maybe not other formats than WDG, I mean than DWG, sorry, maybe to Revit, or maybe to somewhere else. So this is very important as well. So maybe you want to also print, you can all do this. And also you can see, you can close, you can set a lot of things. Actually drawing settings are also important. You can see this is why you are going to set your units, this is why you are going to set your drawing properties. A lot of things actually is very important. Okay, This for new is allow you to create a new drawing, and also open, it will also allow you to open a new drawing. And also this save, it allow you to save that drawing, save as to save the drawing in other formats, as I said, rather than the DWG. Okay, so this is also important. Okay, you can see this is showing you the top view. When dealing with 3D, you can click maybe here, you will see it will rotate, it will give you and maybe Z to X rather than XY. Okay, so this is important actually as well. So you can see as well we have this tool, which is very important. It will allow you to navigate, and also maybe if you want to maybe orbit, or maybe tilt, or maybe rotate in a certain point or a certain location, it will allow you to do that. As you can see how I'm rotating, more especially when you are working on uh, 3D. Okay, so this is essential as well. This is a fan. It will allow you to move maybe from this place to this place like this. That is a pan. It's very important. It allows you view as you can see. Actually, it will provide you a help, or maybe a further explanation how you can use that as well. So we have zoom. Zoom extent is the default, but you can change. You can click on this small arrow and change it to maybe zoom in, zoom out, zoom object, zoom center, and other things if you like. Okay, so and that is just the main important things that I wanted to introduce to you on this tutorial. So thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your kindness.